In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a white outline or borderline to your photos. We're going to do everything using the Canva app, so if you are interested in this tutorial, stay until the end. Here we are in Canva, and we will upload the photo we're gonna work with. For this, we need to be in a design project. Tap on the plus icon in the center of the bottom bar. In my case, I'll tap on Instagram post to have a square format. As always, Canva will suggest templates for us to work with. We're gonna close this by swiping down. Now we're gonna upload the image. We want to add the borderlines too. To upload images from our phone's photo gallery, tap on camera, and here the most recent images saved on your device will appear. We can also go to the upload section. To upload images we're gonna store in our Canva cloud. Let's go back to the camera section and upload this image of Mr. Beast. We'll enlarge it. But there is a problem. If I change the background color, we'll notice it's an image with a white background, which means we won't be able to properly apply the border effect. To remove the background, we'll tap the image, tap on Effects, and select the background remover option. But this is a Canva Pro feature. If you want, you can try Canva's 14-day free trial and remove the background using this native option. Alternatively, you can use this little trick and avoid paying for Canva Pro. You will use the Eraser app, available for both Android and iOS. Upload the photo from which you want to remove the background and crop it to where your subject or hero is. On iOS, the background will be automatically removed. On Android, you'll need to choose the option to use AI to remove the background. Once the background is removed, we'll save the image. Now we'll go back to Canva and upload the cropped image. Tap on Camera and select the new image. Oh no, it still has a white background. Actually, it doesn't. You just have to wait a moment for Canva to recognize that it's a PNG image. Done. Now we can delete the previous image. Alright, to apply the borderline to our image, tap on the image, tap on Effects, and in Magic Studio we have a wide variety of paid effects, except for one. Let's tap on Effects again, and here we have more options, but they are free. Tap on Shadows, and if you scroll through the options, you will find the outline or borderline option. Tap it, and tap again to modify it. Set the size to 50, and change the color to white. Done. We've added the white outline to our image in Canva without paying for Canva Pro and in the simplest way known so far. With this trick, you can make collages, custom emojis, images for printing and cutting, or even professional profile picture like Will Smith's. If you want to know more Canva design tricks, tap the playlist that appears on the screen now and learn more tips and tricks today.